Do you think Bitcoin will ever hit $1 million? At the Bitcoin Asia 2025 conference in Hong Kong, Eric Trump, the son of US President Donald Trump, left no room for doubt. He declared with confidence that there's no question Bitcoin is reaching $1 million. But what does he really mean, and what does this mean for investors like you and me? Let's watch the full video to find out. Eric Trump took the stage at one of Asia's most influential crypto events, standing before an audience of global investors, policymakers, and Bitcoin entrepreneurs. His message was clear and direct. The Bitcoin will reach $1 million within the next several years. This wasn't just a passing comment, but this was a reaffirmation of a prediction that he had made back in December 2024, and he delivered it with even more certainty this time. Eric explained his reasoning in very simple terms. Everyone wants Bitcoin, right? He pointed out that governments are adding it to their reserves, Fortune 500 companies are quietly accumulating it, and wealthy families across the globe are investing in it. So it means that the demand is rising at every level in the society, while Bitcoin's supply remains limited. In his words, this makes a $1 million price target inevitable. At the heart of Eric Trump's argument is simple economics. Limited supply against rising demand. Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins, out of which more than 19 million are already mined. As more individuals, companies, or even governments fight for what remains, the price can only go one way: up. He also highlighted that Bitcoin is no longer just digital gold. It is gaining more practical uses. In some regions, people use it for payments, remittances, and as a hedge against inflation. In the financial world, it's being integrated into lending, yield generation, and broader portfolios. This will definitely help it gain long-term value growth even stronger. As Eric delivered his prediction, Bitcoin was already showing strong performance in 2025. The cryptocurrency had risen about 18% this year alone, touching an all-time high of $124,480 in mid-August. And by the end of August, it had cooled slightly and was trading around $110,000. Traders know that Bitcoin has faced some short-term resistance, especially since it fell below the 50-day exponential moving average. But in the bigger picture, Eric Trump and many other Bitcoin believers see these dips as nothing more than stepping stones toward much higher prices. Trump administration's crypto-friendly stance. The Trump administration has rolled out policies that are more supportive of cryptocurrency than previous governments. Instead of strict crackdowns, there is a push for clear and business-friendly regulations. This creates confidence for both institutional investors and smaller market players to enter the Bitcoin space without fear of sudden bans or restrictions. Trump-linked companies diving into crypto. Beyond Eric Trump's American Bitcoin, other ventures like World Liberty Financial and Trump Media and Technology Group are also building large crypto treasuries. These companies are not only investing in Bitcoin, but are also exploring ways to integrate blockchain technology into their businesses. Together, they form a network of Trump-backed entities strengthening the digital asset ecosystem. Expansion into Asia. ABTC is exploring acquisitions in Asia, especially in Japan and Hong Kong. The goal is to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve that would help the company secure a strong foothold in the global market. This move highlights how Asia remains a vital hub for crypto adoption and infrastructure, making it a natural growth target for American Bitcoin. The bigger picture, politics meets markets. The involvement of politicians, corporations, and family-backed firms shows how Bitcoin is no longer just a retail or tech-driven market. Instead, it's becoming a powerful mix of political influence and financial strategy. This adds a new layer of legitimacy to Bitcoin while also trying to future its global power structures. If Bitcoin ever reaches $1 million, the impact would be huge. Early adopters would see massive profits, and institutions would start treating Bitcoin as a core part of global finance. And governments holding Bitcoin reserves might also gain stronger financial influence. But there is another side as well. Such a dramatic rise could reflect deeper problems in the world economy, like weakening trust in traditional currencies. So whether it's a sign of progress or instability, one thing is certain. But there is another side as well. Such a dramatic rise could reflect deeper problems in the world's economy, like weakening trust in traditional currencies. So whether it's a sign of progress or instability, one thing is certain. Bitcoin is now impossible to ignore. With that being said, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial insights, and I'll see you in the next one.